Hello Eric DIY viewers. Today we are reviewing a new LED headlight, and it's the DWVO H11 LED headlight. Inside the box you will find the LED headlights with an H11 adapter. You'll find a product manual. It has a 360-degree beam angle. It's waterproof. It has a non-destructive installation. It is super bright and extremely long life, seeing that they're LEDs and they're instantly on in 0.1 seconds. If there is enough clearance for installation, you might not have to take out the headlight housing. After installation, turn headlights on and check for proper operation. Alright, we're going to see how the DWVO LED headlights look. First we'll just get the car on. Please note that this is the normal bulb light, and that on this 2012 Hyundai Elantra, the high beams are actually controlled by a separate bulb. So the DWVO H11 LED headlight bulbs are just for normal operation, and you would need a different bulb for high beams. This is high beams with the standard bulb. And then back to the LED bulbs. So as you can see, it still allows operation of the high beams, but it gives you pretty good brightness just with the normal setting. Let's go take it on the road. And as you can see, the bulbs lit up the whole road. You can clearly see it in front of you. This camera, again, is not showing the full brightness of the bulbs. The camera just doesn't have that ability. But I can clearly see about 20-25 feet in front of me. And they're not too bright, so it distracts other drivers, as you can see as I pass by these drivers. Street signs come right out with the light reflecting off them, so you can clearly see those signs on the side of the road. Even house numbers that have reflective signs come right out. You can clearly see that stop sign down the road, and the camera does not show the full brightness of these bulbs. But I am a good 125 feet away from that stop sign, and I could have seen it from that distance. So the reflective qualities of the LED headlight bulbs are excellent. And this is what the DWVO H11 LED headlight bulbs look like against the garage. As you can see, it has a steady beam width. Please note that the car is veered a little towards the left, so that full beam in the middle is what it looks like on the left. It's just that we're seeing some in the backyard. And overall, it's a really good headlight bulb. It lights up everything. It's not too bright to oncoming traffic and everything. The heat sink makes it stay cool like it needs to be, and it's just an excellent value. So if you'd like to purchase your DWVO H11 LED headlight bulbs, please look for the link in the description below. You'll be helping to support the Eric DIY channel, so we'll send you to a place on Amazon where you can buy your own. And they make them in all different sizes. They have H4 bulbs, H7, H11, BA15D, 9005, 9006, so you'll probably be able to find the size that you need for your vehicle. But I highly recommend these bulbs, and I want to say thank you for watching and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.